watching Project Runway, and I just got an idea. Hold up. I'm finna try and make me some jeans from scratch. Hold on, gotta wipe y'all off. I'm finna try and make some jeans from scratch though. But I'm low-key finna have to look up how to do like the waistband part and the zipper part. This like 4 pair of jeans. Grab 4 pair of jeans and I'm finna bleach them and stuff to get them to be a different color, because most of them is like the same color. So I'm finna bleach them, cut them up, and then put it together. And then I probably won't start the sewing process till tomorrow, because I still need to figure out how to make these jeans from scratch. But I want them to be like oversized. Like, y'all see how these pants is oversized? I want them to be oversized like this, but regular booty. But yeah, y'all stay tuned for the process. I'm finna just use this thing, put some water and bleach up in there, and then soak them individually till they get to the color I want them to be. And then wash them, let them dry, and then start cutting them up and putting like the pieces together of how I want them to be sewn. I hope this, or since it's gonna be warm outside, I can make some shorts instead of some pants. But like, that's not gonna be any easier. But oh, y'all see what I do. But yeah, stay tuned. It's hilarious.
Place your bobbin in your bobbin case. Yeah, run up on big glow, you won't, I bet your ass be on the floor. Big carbon here like Mayweather, Tula come through and blow a hoe. Got millions out that rap shit, they hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Yeah, back in after back in, coming, fuck 'em, I stole the show. Just run up on that bitch, she a head case, all she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out a parachute. I'm geeked on next week, back no more bitches, I might just stir at you. I'm geeked on next week, back no more bitches, I might embarrass you. Yeah, glow, stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toe. Yeah, glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Yeah, glow, two-tone Cartier match the nails, hoe.
Hey vlog. So I'm not done with the pants yet. I'm still sewing. I'm still sewing the pieces together. I was gonna say, I'm using them pants as a reference, but right now I'm just sewing the cut up pieces together. And then after I sew them together, I'll start like putting them on top of here, and then separating the legs out, if that makes sense. And then after that, I'm gonna sew the leg pieces together, and then I'm gonna put the pockets back on. So hopefully this turns out how I want it to, or how I'm envisioning it, because this is my first time making pants from scratch. I'm gonna probably end up like reattaching them to like the waistband. But yeah, I'm finna take a break from doing this though, because I had to get a new thing of thread, because I already used one whole one. Well, I don't think it was a whole one, but I already used one whole one. I'll come back when I make some little progress. This shit crazy. This shit is crazy. But the motherfucking needle done broke out and ran out of thread. And I'm still trying to figure out how to use the damn sewing machine. But I want these pants to like, okay. Let me give you my like idea or vision of like how I see these like pants coming out though. Like I want them to be like oversized looking, but I want them to be hella distressed, and I want them to be super long, cause I don't like my pants like looking like they flooding, if that makes sense. Like I don't like pants that don't come all the way down to my ankles. So I'm finna make them like overly long as hell, and then like hopefully they got that oversized look to them and distressed look to them. So yeah, and I ain't did my hair. Ooh. But yeah, I'll come back to y'all when I'm sewing some more.
For crimes that I didn't commit, so can't be too careful.
Then let's talk about the acts of violence you committed against Asher in the past. The courthouse fist fight you instigated, for example.
Asher. Oh, my fault. That was...
This is all that's done so far, y'all. It's 1, 2, 3 of the pant legs. I still gotta finish this pant leg. But basically all I'm doing is taking these cut up squares that I cut out the different type of jeans, and then sew them together. Okay, y'all. So this is how far I'm done with the pants. I just gotta attach the waistband. I still gotta sew them 2 pieces together. But this is what the pants look like so far. And whole time, like, I ain't even doing no measurements or nothing. I'm just sewing shit together. And hoping it fit. It should fit though. It's gonna be a tighter fit in the waist though. And then it's gonna flare out to the bottom. So it's gonna be more like bell bottoms. So yeah, I'm finna, and then the motherfucking needles keep on breaking on this damn machine. So I'm just finna try and sew these 2 pieces together. And try and sew these 2 pieces together. Like, I'm really trying not to give up on the pants idea. But like I'm really tempted to just turn this shit into a skirt and call it a day. Cause this shit is irritating. But it's cool. And then I'm gonna make like, it's a whole bunch of extra scrap pieces. So I'm finna try and make a top. I just don't know how it's gonna look yet. And then I gotta figure out if I wanted to tie in the back or what, or do I want to sew it so I could just make it a bandeau top? I don't know. But yeah, I'll get back to y'all when I'm done sewing these pieces together. When I'm done sewing these 2 pieces together, and then attaching it to the pants. Excuse how rough I'm looking. Hold up. Y'all, so I don't even think I didn't come back on here after I made the jeans, but I finished making the jeans, and then I made a matching hat with it, and then I started making this race car belt. Let me show y'all the picture of the belt if you don't know what I'm talking about. Gee, I need help. But anyways, This is the inspiration of the belt. Focus. This is the inspiration for the belt. And most of these ideas, well, I mean, let me not say most, but like some of these ideas that I do like be making be coming off of Pinterest. So, and then this is like the idea of the jeans, but the jeans don't look exactly like that because this was my first time making jeans. And like basically I took apart like the entire jean. Like I didn't even leave, like, you see how like the jean part right here, I didn't leave that part so I could just build the patches off of there. I just took apart the whole jean and tried to reconstruct the jeans back together. And I ain't never made no pants before, so like the crotch part is like a little fucked up. But let me show you. Yeah. But these is the jeans. Y'all see like what I'm talking about? Like I still gotta learn how to, you know, make the jeans and stuff like that. And I didn't do no type of measurements for this. I was just measuring based off a different pair of pants I had, so they don't fit oversized like I wanted them to. They actually fit like tighter than I wanted them to, and they don't cover my full booty. So I'm just gonna have to do that, you know, that like that thong look where they be having the pants like rolled down and then the thong showing. So that's what I'm gonna do with these pants. Y'all gonna see when I post the pictures. And then I make this hat. Yo, let me show you. Cause it look kind of weird, don't it? But it's just supposed to be like that. Like, but when I actually wear it, I'm not gonna have no two hats on. I'm just have this hat on. But yeah, I made this matching hat with it. I really like the hat better than I like the jeans. But yeah, I think next time I come back on here, I'm gonna show y'all the fit or whatever, the outfit that I make out of this, or the Instagram pictures. And let me show y'all the belt. I didn't have no hot glue gun, so I had to make it work with some. I called this damn glue motherfucking. So I use this glue, and then I use some Gorilla Glue, and then I use my paint bucket to like push it onto the belt, because otherwise it won't stick on there. But yesterday I let these ones sit on there with the bucket on top, so now these ones gotta sit on there with a bucket on top. Hopefully the cars don't get to falling off like when I wear this belt in public, because if I wear this belt in public and the motherfucking cars get to falling off, G, I'm gonna be mad. But y'all, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you stay tuned for another video. And make sure you follow me on my social medias so you can see what else I create or when I'm posting. And yeah, see y'all in the next video.